Learn how to get amazing shots with the DJI Neo in just 10 minutes. From easy shots of yourself to action-packed FPV drone shots. Let's dive right into it.
I'm gonna watch you burn. I'm gonna watch you burn.
The Neo features 6 QuickShot modes that you can use without any controller or smartphone. Just turn on the drone by short and long pressing the power button, as you know it from any other DJI drone. After that, you can short press the QuickShot button to switch between one of the 6 QuickShot modes. As soon as you're ready, place the drone on the palm of your hand with its camera facing you. Long press the QuickShot button to start the shot. The AI subject detection will recognize you and keep you centered. The 6 available settings here are, for example, follow modes or spotlight and QuickShot modes like droney, circle, rocket. All these modes can be fine-tuned in the DJI Fly app. First, make sure to connect your DJI Fly app to the drone. If that doesn't work on the first try, just long press the power button of the DJI Neo to activate the pairing mode. When connected, go to the settings where you can find a list of the different modes. Let's adjust the setting of follow. That's where you can adjust the distance and height. I like the basic settings, but you could, for example, set the follow height to low to get a more action-packed follow shot, while flat or high allow for a more cinematic feeling. My favorite QuickShot mode is circle, because circle keeps you centered so you're the main part of the video while it circles around you. This is perfect for filming yourself, but also displaying the landscape around you, and works best if you're in the mountains or at the beach or just at the location that you think is beautiful. Another cool QuickShot mode is droney. First, the viewer can only see you, but the drone slowly flies backwards and reveals the location in front or behind of you, depending if you start the drone in front of you and then look to the drone, or you just start the drone and then you can turn yourself around and then the background is on this side. You get what I'm saying. And besides letting the drone do the work on its own, you can use the DJI Fly app to control the drone. It's pretty simple, and within minutes you'll have figured out how to do that. There's another amazing new feature. You can use the drone to vlog by also using the DJI Fly app. Just activate the microphone icon and then the audio of your smartphone will be recorded. That's a brand new way to vlog in style. To get an even better audio quality, you can connect the DJI Mic 2 to your smartphone as well and use this as your main microphone. Additionally, the DJI Neo can be controlled with your voice. Now there are even 2 more ways to control the drone. Of course, you can also use the DJI RC and control it as any normal drone. That's especially helpful when you plan to film landscapes, as this allows for more precise control. So you can use it like any normal DJI drone you know. And then there's the last way to control the drone. And that's my favorite way, with the DJI RC Motion 3 or the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3. By using one of these, you can control the Neo like any FPV drone. You can even use the manual mode. This also means that you can connect your DJI goggles 3, and using it is pretty simple. First, turn on all 3 devices. Long press the power button on the Neo, then on the goggles, and then on the remote controller or Motion RC. This will activate the pairing mode of all devices and let them connect together. Now you're able to see the video stream of the Neo in your goggles. Let's start with the RC Motion 3. Double press the start button and then hold it to launch the drone. Control it by tilting and panning your RC Motion 3. You can use your index finger to control the speed or even fly backwards. And just tilt your arm to control the drone, forwards, backwards, and to the side. You'll get used to it in minutes and have lots of fun. Even the easy acro mode, known from the Avada 2, is available on the Neo. Just push down the joystick of the Goggles 3 and activate Easy Acro. Now all you have to do is fly towards and turn the joystick of the DJI RC Motion 3 to the side. Easy Acro allows you to do more difficult tricks with just the press of a button. The FPV Remote Controller 3 also allows you to fly in manual mode, like a real FPV drone. For that, you have to set up your controller and adjust the custom button to manual mode. Additionally, you have to go to the PID settings and turn off the limitation. That's how you unlock the full manual FPV mode. So if you're not an experienced FPV pilot yet, I do not recommend you to use it right away. You can practice in the DJI simulator on your smartphone. But there also is the normal and sports mode, and that's how you can start flying the DJI Neo as an FPV drone and get into the world of FPV drones. The small size of the DJI Neo makes it a perfect FPV drone to fly through tighter gaps, especially indoors. The camera settings are important to get the best quality possible, but luckily it's pretty simple with the DJI Neo. When using the QuickShots mode by launching the drone from your hand, all the camera settings will be set automatically. Even when using a controller, you can choose automatic camera settings, but there's one setting that's important for you. If you want to shoot for Instagram or TikTok, I recommend setting the recording mode to 4:3. This allows you to easily crop your footage for your short form videos. And you can later on also use them for YouTube, horizontally if you need to. I also prefer using H.265 over H.264 because H.265 allows for a smaller file size while maintaining the best video quality. Now there's one specific setting for the FPV mode. In your goggles, you can press the button up and then you get to your video settings. And there you can also choose the aspect ratio 4:3. But what you see then is that the stabilization is turned off. And that's for a reason, because the DJI Neo can save the gyro data of the flight, which means you can just import the footage to your laptop or PC and then put it into GyroFlow. And this is where the footage will be stabilized perfectly. Did you also know that you can use the DJI Fly to transfer your videos to your phone? That's an easy way to edit your photos and videos fast and post them to social media. You can also just connect the Neo to your laptop to transfer the data, of course, and you can also easily charge the Neo without any charging station, just by using an USB-C cable. If you decide to go for the Fly More combo, you'll get the charging case, which will charge all 3 batteries at the same time. So now there are 2 last tips I can give you for the DJI Neo. First of all, my LUT pack, you can use it on the DJI Neo as well. Just put them on top of your footage and adjust intensity. This is how you get a special look, which looks pretty good from my point of view. Depends on your taste, but if you like the DJI Neo clips in this video, then you have to check them out. I'll link them down in the description. The DJI Neo is linked down as well if you want to have a more detailed look. And the last tip is that you don't rush into FPV with the DJI Neo, because the DJI Neo is the perfect drone that grows with you. So if you never flew a drone before, you can first start with your smartphone or without any smartphone, and then with the real controller, the normal DJI RC. And that's how you get a feeling for flying drones. And that's the best way to get into drones. And it's so cheap. For what this drone can do, this is really cheap. And as soon as you're more experienced, and as soon as you've got your first training in the DJI FPV simulator, then you can start to fly FPV with this drone. So you see, it grows with you. Especially if you're a beginner, you can start from nothing. I can really recommend this drone by myself. Even though I'm a professional drone pilot, I was really impressed by the automatic following and tracking feature without using any controller or smartphone. If you like this video, drop a like, and if you want that we see each other soon again, also follow. Thanks for watching.